Keepsake Creative home kits are really easy. You simply order online a mug, picture frame or a tile. You'll receive baby safe paint through the post along with your item. You simply paint, as shown in the video, the paint onto your baby's hand or foot, making sure that it's completely covered, and then just press onto your pottery. Don't worry if you make any mistakes, because you can simply wash it off and start again. Once ready, you just pop that back in the post to us and we'll professionally glaze and fire it for you, and we'll even add any personalisation details you require. So it really is as easy as 1, 2, 3.